Today, this tutorial will show you how to create line art on Adobe Illustrator using the pen tool. The pen tool is commonly used for vector art, helping to create high-resolution drawings that retain clarity even when enlarged or shrunk. First, we reduce the transparency to see our line art better. I set mine 40%, but that's up to the artist. Now we lock that layer so we don't disturb it further. Let's focus on the attachment of the helmet. Now we click on the new layer and press P for the pen shortcut, or click on the pen tool here on the left. Here, we select the color of the outline or filled-in area. Since it's line art, let's select the black outline. Here, we can adjust the thickness of the line to suit the artwork. Now select the first point and then click and drag to create the first line. And then continue as you like. Control and clicking and dragging on an anchor point allows for adjustment on where to position it better. From time to time, errors are made but can be reversed with Ctrl-Z or undo. Each anchor point has handles that can be adjusted accordingly. There we have the first shape complete. Of course, the shape can still be adjusted accordingly. Next, the holes in the attachment. This can also be done with the ellipse shape tool. But since this has a more organic shape, let's just draw it from scratch. With the shortcut V or selection tool, you can select lines individually and drag them to position. The same is done for the bottom part. Clicking on the eye icon on layers allows you to hide the layer itself. Very useful for referring to the sketch from time to time. The same steps continue for the rest of the artwork. After the base line art is done, we will add more life to the same lines to give it more flair and energy using the same pen tool. It is also an option to skip drawing the base line art and go straight for the energetic line art with varying thicknesses. However, the base line art step can be quite useful for beginners and can serve as a guide for the next step. It's best to do what feels comfortable for the artist. Everyone has their preferences. For the next part, we'll see the finished baseline art for this sketch before we proceed with the next step. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching!